we have with us Aman Jain, who is graduated from an IIT Kanpur and is one of the founding member of the GyanDhan, and they have assisted more than 1 lakh students in getting an education loan for studying abroad. Apart from the processing fees, Aman, is there any costs that are involved in education loan?
So, at the start, there is processing fee, as you mentioned, that is there, but you are not supposed to pay processing fee upfront. Once the process is done, that before taking the sanction letter, usually, especially in the unsecured loan, they will ask for the processing fee first and then give you the sanction letter.
Give the sanction and disbursement.
That is in the unsecured loan. In unsecured loan, there are no much cost associated. One thing you need to understand is there is something called loan insurance. So usually bank asks you to mandatorily buy that insurance, but then bank don't ask you to pay the money. They add it in your loan. So you don't need to pay out of your pocket. You need to repay it as part of your EMI. So that is another cost associated, and there are some notary charges, 1,000 rupees here and there.
Or miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous expenses, but not a major expense. That is there. And one thing that people need to keep in mind is the forex charges and where they are taking the forex from. So, for example, at times people end up paying a very high forex rate. So they need to evaluate that, but that is not related to loan as much. Coming to the secured loan, now the thing with the secured loan is that there is one processing fee which is to be paid to the bank. There is a property evaluation charge that is needed to be paid to the evaluator. Usually bank take it and give it to the evaluator when bank has a fixed rate for that. Apart from that, there is some tax that you pay at the time of mortgage creation. That is another 0.1, 0.2% of the loan amount you need to pay. So that the
student need to mortgage the property to the vendor.
So these are the typical costs associated with any education.
Other than this, no other costs.
Other than that, there are no costs.
Okay. Whenever the student comes for an education loan, they'll ask for only 3. With good bank, with a lower interest rate, with a less processing time. So would you suggest a top 3 public banks and 3 NBFCs by taking these 3 parameters?
Public banks, public banks may be UBI, SBI, and Bank of Baroda. So these are the 3 public banks. I won't say all of them are faster. If you go through GyanDhan, it is faster. But so these are the 3 banks. They are giving a lower rate of interest. These are the public banks. Coming to private banks, if I have to select top 3, I'll say ICICI, IDFC First Bank, and Axis Bank. These are the 3 banks. NBFCs, there are hardly 3 NBFCs that are giving these loans. So that's it.
I mean, GyanDhan will work with the Prodigy as well?
So we work with 15 lenders, all the public banks, private banks, NBFCs, international lenders. So when the student checks the loan eligibility on our website, they typically see an output that, you are eligible for the loan from these 3 or these 5 players. You can then choose and pick. So we give you complete transparency that, this is the interest rate, this is the amount from Bank A, Bank B, Bank C. But to answer that, yes, we work with Prodigy Finance, Empower Finance, all the international lenders as well.
Suppose, as an international student, I want to apply for the 3 banks. I approach GyanDhan. So I want to apply for the 3. So how much time will you take, evaluate these 3? I mean, do you charge any fees from the student to apply for the 3 banks? Because it would be cost involved too much of manpower.
First of all, there is no fees involved. Our services are completely free. You don't need to pay even a single penny to us. In fact, we end up saving money for you by negotiating the interest rate processing fee on your behalf. Now, how fast we are? The moment you check the eligibility, within 30 seconds, we tell you these are the 3 banks.
Within 30 seconds?
Within 30 seconds with the our tool, check eligibility tool on our website. Even when you are talking to a counselor, our relationship managers, they can tell you in 2-3 minute conversation. Because we have a very standard framework that our entire team follows to recommend the students the loan products.
How you're leveraging the technology?
See, so our entire business is built. So I won't say we are a service company. We are a tech plus product company, right? And everything that we are doing end to end is with the tech. So, for example, when you check the eligibility, there is an algorithm at the back end that evaluates your profile, matches it with all the banks, and give you the options. After that, then there is automatically you get redirected to a page where you have to answer a few questions. You answer those questions, automatically you get redirected to a page where you are supposed to upload the documents.
Okay.
Right? Once you upload the document, automatically it goes to the lender.
Okay.
And there are document check. We are using many tools to automatically check the document. So let's say if you upload a blur document, so it immediately will give you, sorry, this is a blur document.
Okay.
Please upload a clear image of the Aadhaar card, clear image of the PAN card. Right? Now the lender gets it automatically. So this is entirely a technology layer that we have built end to end. Not only this, apart from that, we have done other type of automations, which is let's say if a student is not picking up the call, so they will get a message that, okay, hey, we tried reaching out, you're not picking up the call, which is very normal, by the way. But not only that, let's say if the student is uploaded document and 2-3 documents are not up to the mark, they immediately get a WhatsApp message that these 3 documents are not up to the mark, please upload them again. Now, student don't have to go log in and upload. They can simply share it with GyanDhan on the WhatsApp channel, and it gets automatically uploaded in their application. So that is the technology that we have built in, and that is how we are making the overall process for the student easier. Now, on the top of that, we have done API integrations with almost all the lenders. So students can see the real-time status. So when you go and apply to, let's say, a public sector bank, you can't know the status without visiting. But with GyanDhan, you can just log into your GyanDhan dashboard, and there will be status visible to you for all the lenders that are there. So that is another technology layer, that is the integration with all the banks, lenders, to show you the real-time information.
Okay.
So, and that is how we have been leveraging technology in making this entire education loan process seamless.
Okay.